Curlsmith recently launched a fragrance-free shine collection. Let's talk about it. Hi everyone, my name is Daniela and I post curly hair videos every Wednesday here on my channel. So if you like watching wash and goes and hearing my honest opinion on curly hair products, then hit that subscribe button down below. So, a quick disclaimer before I even get into this. I was paid by Curlsmith to talk about these products on my Instagram. However, me talking about these products on YouTube is not sponsored. This is my honest opinion on these products, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I use them and how I feel about them. Okay, so I already washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. I didn't do a demo because we should all know how to wash our hair by now. But my honest opinion on these, so the shampoo and conditioner, like I said previously, they are indeed fragrance free. They don't smell like anything, to be quite honest. The shampoo feels really good on my hair. It feels like any, good shampoo, I guess. It doesn't make my hair feel super dry or squeaky clean or anything. But I definitely do feel a difference, obviously, once I use it. And then the conditioner, I really do enjoy. I feel like this is one of the very few conditioners that I have that detangles my hair faster than any other conditioner. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like certain conditioners detangle my hair a lot easier than others. And for me, this is one of them. And once I rinsed out my hair, like, you honestly see the difference right away. Like, you see how shiny your hair is as opposed to before. I probably should have started my video with the mess that I had before to show you guys how dull my hair really was. I feel like even just the shampoo and conditioner show an immediate result of, shiny curls. But yeah, if you suffer from dry, dull hair, I would definitely give these two a try. The shampoo contains lemon peel, jasmine, hops, and then the conditioner has babasu, mumuru, and shea oils. And I guess that's what kind of like makes your hair super duper shiny. And then today I will be using, I only have the trial size of these, but I will be using the Shine Cream, the leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so the Shine Cream leave-in conditioner and the Shine Jelly. This is like frizz control gel. They also do have the Shine Gel, which is a thicker version of the jelly, but you guys know I like my lightweight products, so they did send me the jelly. So within this line, you see pretty much the same ingredients being used all across. Like the gel also uses lemon peel, jasmine, and hops. So they're all really good ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my hair, and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like without any product in it. Okay, so for the leave-in conditioner, it does say to style with your hair dripping wet. So I literally didn't even touch my hair with a towel, so it's like dripping all over my couch right now. But before I even start applying any product, I want to show you guys what my hair looks like. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I do typically gravitate towards products that make my hair shiny. So I'm pretty used to knowing, when there's a difference in shine in my hair. And from a shampoo and conditioner, this is insane. Like, I've had, shampoo and conditioners that left my hair shiny, but this one is like so good. I was honestly blown away. And no, once again, I'm not being paid to say this. Like, this is my honest review, my honest opinion. Like, my hair just looks so shiny, and you can even tell, like, as you're rinsing out your hair, as you're rinsing out the conditioner from your hair, you can see your curls just look so shiny, and like it honestly blows me away every time. And I've only had this product for, I want to say, like 3 weeks maybe, and I'm almost running out because both me and my boyfriend use it because of how much we like it. So it's found a permanent home in my shower now, and I will definitely be repurchasing. We're gonna start off with the Shine Cream. It's a leave-in conditioner, it's lightweight, and like I said, it does recommend that you start on soaking wet hair. You focus on the lengths and ends, smooth through the hair using the flats of your hands to ensure your strands are evenly coated. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with about this much. And I'm just gonna go right through. Okay. I did go to Rome this past weekend. And first off, I'd like to say, if you've never been to Europe, you have to go. Rome was such a pretty place to visit. We were only there for really like 2 days, and honestly, I wouldn't, like, if I were to do that over again, I probably would have stayed for longer, just because I feel like we planned the trip for 4 days, but like honestly 2 of those days was just traveling, and those flights were terrible. They were so long, and on top of that, there's obviously like all the time difference, so then you end up super jet lagged. So if I could do it all over again, I probably would have stayed for longer, but it was still amazing nonetheless. It was a great experience. But one thing I did notice, and this is completely unrelated to Rome, but I did my hair the first night, and I don't even remember what I used. I think I used actually this shine cream, and then the in shower style fixer, also by Curlsmith. So it's like it's from their moisture line. It's like a thicker gel, and I used it because it was just humid throughout the whole time that I was in Rome. So I was like, I need a little bit of an extra hold. And that was like the first time that I fluffed, but didn't fluff like crazy, because I really enjoyed how my hair looked, like super defined, and it was pretty short too. Like it did shrink a little bit, but I honestly didn't mind it. So today, I don't think I'm gonna fluff. I think I'm just gonna like do my hair normally, but without like fluffing so much, and see how like defined my hair is. See if I still like it. Who knows? Wow. Never thought the day would come where I'd like my super defined hair over my super voluminous, crazy, like almost frizzy hair. But we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my, what is this? This is the Curl Keeper styling brush. I think it has like a specific name, but I'm gonna use this brush to distribute the product through my hair, through my crown specifically, because I feel like it can be tough sometimes to saturate all my hair on the back of my head as opposed to all the other sections. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the gel. So the gel, the cream feels like any other cream, doesn't smell like anything. Again, it's fragrance free, but the gel reminds me a lot of like the Flexi Jelly, or just any of the jellies that Curlsmith has. Like it's just very liquidy, very watery. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, I thought I dropped it. But yeah, it's definitely a lot more on the liquid side rather than like a stronghold gel, which personally I prefer because it allows for more volume, you know, like less hold, but I do prefer more volume. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush again to just make sure my hair is saturated. And I'm tilting my hair because when you're styling and you're like, well, just when you're styling in general, in order to get the most volume, you want to style almost at like a 90-degree angle rather than straight down, because then this just kind of creates flat roots, which if that's what you're looking for, then by all means do it. But I personally don't want flat roots. I'm not going to squeeze out the excess product because I do want a little bit more hold and definition. So I'm just going to let it be. And I'm going to go ahead and diffuse, and I'll show you guys the result in just a minute. And these are the results. So I didn't really fluff. I only fluffed a little bit like on my roots, like right here, just so my hair is not so flat. But I broke the gel cast, fluffed a little bit, but this is like nothing. And it's pretty voluminous. My hair is super shiny, super defined. Like, it looks so good. Like, I really hope you can see how shiny my hair really is, because oh, I love it. So I have been trying to be a little bit more conscious on what products I do use on my hair. So I feel like I just have a slight personal bias towards the Curlsmith brand, but I obviously do understand that they are more on the pricier side. So if you cannot afford Curlsmith products, then you do not have to go out of your way for them. I just personally really enjoy their products. I really enjoy this line. So if you do have the means and you feel like you suffer from dull, dry hair, then I would definitely give the Shine collection a try. If you're looking for fragrance-free products, then I would definitely recommend these products because they absolutely smell like nothing. But yeah, I would definitely give these products a try. Like I said, if you have the means, I will be doing more drugstore wash and goes for you guys, because I know obviously not everyone has the money to be spending insane amounts on Curlsmith and more expensive hair products. So believe me, I'm with you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you a personal fan of Curlsmith? Are you not? Let me know. Once again, I post curly hair videos every Wednesday here on my channel, so if you're interested in watching hair reviews or curly wash and goes, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you know when I post another video. Bye!